Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I am just on my way to the doctor's. It's super early. Didn't really want to be up because I've actually got Monday off for uni this week, which is amazing. So I can chill, do lots of work later and stuff. But yeah, it's kind of annoying that I've had to wake up super early for the doctor's. So yeah, I'm just heading there now. It's actually for a sertraline review, just to make sure all the antidepressants are working well for me and whether I need to be put up to the next dosage. So yeah, I'll give you a little update when we get back. But yeah, for now, just walking to the doctor's in the cold. So I've just realised, just as I started editing this vlog this evening, that earlier on today I completely forgot to give you an update on my sertraline situation. So for those of you that don't know, I have been on antidepressants since January. I got diagnosed with depression early January, end of December, as well as anxiety, but I also already knew they both existed. I just actually got diagnosed properly, which meant I was allowed medication to try and solve my problem, and it's been working amazingly for me. I did have a break, which was really naughty. You're not really supposed to do that because it can fuck up and go off antidepressants then go back on them. It's really bad, and I ended up actually being physically sick at work when I started going back on them. I was physically sick, and I'm never sick unless I've drank too much. So yeah, it was a bit weird. But yeah, they've been so amazing for me. It's been really difficult trying to get my medication and stuff over summer and everything, so I just had a little review of my sertraline to make sure it was going all okay. Sertraline's basically antidepressants. It helps give me the serotonin that I'm lacking in my body to keep me balanced, and yeah, it's been doing absolute wonders, to be honest, in comparison to how I was feeling this time last year. So it's going well. I told the GP that. She was really lovely, pretty much put me back on my repeat prescription. Now I'm back at uni, so I went and picked up my prescription and then came back home. But yeah, mental health wise, I'm just struggling a little bit because of just something recent that's happened, but nothing too deep that it's going to really negatively affect me. So I'm all good. Thank you for all of your messages. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, let's get back into the rest of this vlog. Right, so I've been back from the doctor's for absolutely ages. I've been lazing around all day, and I literally hate myself because I've been so unproductive. I've only done a couple of emails I needed to do desperately because of stuff that's broken or fucking up in the house. And then I also rang the NHS about my HC1 application form, which gives me money or free health care whilst I'm at uni. Really helped me for first and second year, but they've just basically been ignoring my messages and stuff. So I rang them up today to follow up on everything and sorted that out. And yeah, I've only done a couple of emails, that phone call, and then just lazed around in bed doing nothing. I just really feel so tired. I think it's just because I haven't had a good night's sleep in a couple of days, so it's really caught up on me. So I'm going to force myself. I'm going to go to Cafe Nero, Shock, and do some work. So yeah, I know it's getting a bit late. It's literally 3 o'clock and I got back at 10, so there you can see how unproductive I've been. My face looks awful. But yeah, I'm gonna go see if anyone else wants to come Cafe Nero with me. I'm gonna take my laptop and I'm gonna hopefully finish off this project list situation. I've got one full proper idea of what I want to do for my dissertation, and that is what I really hope to get. The other two are literally going to be whatever I make up today and tomorrow before I send it off. So yeah, I've got a busy end of the week, so I'm going to have to finish this thing that's my project list that's due in on Friday, so they can allocate our supervisors and sort out what we're doing for our actual dissertation. So yeah, I've got a busy end of the week, so I physically can't do it then, so I'm gonna have to do it now. So yeah, we've still got lots of hours left of the day, so that's what I'm telling myself, and I can treat myself later by watching Towie. What a life I lead. me and Hav just been to 200 degrees. We literally just did a bit of work. No, me and Hav just been to 200 degrees. We did a bit of work. It was just annoying because I've got to do like project list ideas at the minute, and we were just saying it's hard to force ideas, like good ideas. Like it was the other day when me and Megan had like a revelation with the whole discrimination stuff that I want to do, and now I can't think of another idea because this is the only one I like. So it's a bit difficult.
You won that one. It's like I don't want to put any other ideas.
Yeah, I don't want it. Yeah, I'm like being like a bit bitter already. Yeah, I'll be fuming if I don't get it. But I'm thinking, who else is going to want to do something like that? Everyone else seems to want to do like lab-based stuff. Yeah, so we just did that. It wasn't too bad, and now. Oh my god. Yeah, we're just going to go to Boots to cheer ourselves up. Are you getting anything in particular, or just wanting?
I want John Frieda.
Oh, we can look at the
shampoo and conditioner.
We can look at the advent calendars. Oh yeah. we filmed the Glossybox video, which I edited this morning, and it corrupted. But luckily, I've got all the files still. It's just I'm gonna have to re-edit the hour-long clip. It's an hour. We took a whole hour opening the advent calendar.
I was like, we were up there for ages.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully it should be up in the next couple of days. It's just annoying me re-editing it when I've just done it. Like, because I love it editing, but I'm like, oh, over again, yeah. When I've seen the, like, I just know what's happening. I'm just like, oh, whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna have a look in Boots and maybe find another advent calendar we like.
Definitely.
Because we really enjoyed unboxing it and want to do more. Right, so I think we're gonna do an online food shop because I have no food, like no food that goes together. Like I literally cannot eat anything at the minute. So where is everyone? No, Meg, it's Monday, which means it's US state. It's US state recall. We'll do it in a second. Yeah. We got 44 states out of 50.
Bitches.
I'm gassed.
That is really good.
Well, we missed Maine.
Yeah, so we missed Maine because we cheated with that one, so we didn't write it down. I cannot wait to get 50 next Monday.
What did you call it? State Remembrance Day.
Right, rice, pasta sauce, veg, cottage ciabatta, naked noodles.
Rice.
What we got on Tesco, yeah?
Fuck me, Uncle Ben's is £1.70. Tesco's own is 60p.
Wow, I'm a mess. So back home, me and Meg have been watching Towie, and I've also received a couple of like clothing parcels which have just gone through. I've been on FaceTime to Carrie for a while because we've been discussing some really annoying changes of plans that we've had over an email, sorry. Basically an event got cancelled that we'd booked tickets for this Thursday in Nottingham, and I'm like really annoyed because I'm like, oh, like they've cancelled it and I've booked my tickets, like I can't, like I want to ask my money back. Obviously it's not the worst thing that could be happening, but it's just annoying because it's like ruined our entire plans, and I decided to buy the tickets for once in advance because they're a lot cheaper and it just saves the stress of like last minute buying tickets. And the one time I bloody do it, the event gets cancelled and rescheduled to a day we can't even do, so it's not something we can look forward to either, which is so frustrating because we had so many like good things planned, which we still do. Like next week is going to be insane. Like I'm so excited to vlog next week because me and Carrie are heading to London for some events. Just a bit frustrated, and we're just trying to like reschedule all of our plans. But yeah, luckily I've got all of this stuff to cheer me up, which is so lovely. Two brands, Joni Clothing and Hey Pretty, have sent over some bits that I'm going to be shooting hopefully in Nottingham now as we're going there. Might as well shoot a few cute outfits and bits and pieces for them brands, which is amazing. I've got some lovely bits and pieces there. I just need to try them on, make sure they fit good, and yeah, just sort of rescheduling my life. I got a bit of work done today, not as much as I'd like to. I really just felt really drained and exhausted, so that was annoying. But yeah, not too bad. I'm just going to carry on eating this that my nan bought me yesterday when she came to visit. It's the Smarties little chocolate bar. I'm just going to finish eating that. I'm going to do some editing, try and re-edit this Glossybox video that corrupted earlier on today, and just have a nice chilled evening in. So yeah, sorry this vlog hasn't been the most exciting. Make sure to hit a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for another vlog. Bye.